Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is City Express Plus here in Tijuana, Mexico. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. We're gonna start off with the door. We're at room 521. Here's your emergency exit instruction. Okay, now let's start off with the bathroom. All right, so you know how I feel about the standalone shower. Here it is. My wishes has been granted. Okay. This is the head shower. You have your little holding rail over there. Let's see how it looks closed. Okay. Closed. I like the white backsplash, all white. Okay. Now the toilet, quite small, but it'll do. See, that's the wall here, very small. Your sink, bathroom sink, that's me. Peace. So what do we have here? Complimentary facial soap, body lotion. Okay, there you go. City Express Plus. What is this? Oh, your Timco hair dryer. Tissue. And your complimentary bath towels. And I think this is a hand towel, but no wash rag. No wash rag. There you go. That's the bathroom. Okay, and then we move on to the bedroom. But first, you have your little doorknob message here. Come in. Do not disturb. Okay, we have another mirror. Peace. It is a pleasure for us at City Express Hotels to greet you at home. It is important to us that you find your room tidy, disinfected, and sanitized, ensuring our use of standard chemical products that are highly effective. Enjoy your stay. You have your menu. If you want room service, just scan this and you'll be all set. Okay, we move on to the TV area. I'm guessing this is a 42-inch TV. You have your little, I forgot the term of this, but pretty nice. Feels like leather. You have your compartment here where you could put your, maybe your remote. You have a cell phone. You could put it here. Example. Peace. Now you have outlets here. Okay. And yeah, that's your entertainment section. So I just want to point out the design of the lighting, which is cool. Very cool. All right, we move on to the desk. You have your desk here, your chair. Okay, you have a small wastebasket. You have a HDMI, your switch for your light here, and a USB charging and Ethernet. And then for those who are from Europe, maybe they have to use this. Okay, there you go. Move this up. You have another mirror, a circular mirror. Peace. All right. Okay. Now the outside view. Let's see. Oops. Wrong way, wrong way. And there's the view. Look at that. Nice. Nice view. It's a bit cloudy. It was raining when we arrived in San Diego. Cloudy. I wonder what's out there. Maybe I might explore soon and one day. If you think I should explore that area there, let me know in the comment section, and I just might. All right, that's the bottom. As you can see, traffic is moving. Today is Monday, January 30, 2023. And Happy New Year to y'all. Okay. Ample parking spot. Okay. I don't know if the parking is free, but I know breakfast is complimentary and it's free from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay. Nice view. Nice view. All right. We move on. And now to the beds. So I avail for 2 queen size beds. Okay. I booked this through Amex Travel Portal. And you have your nightstand. Very modern. So each bed have 4 pillows, and this seems pretty cool. Okay. Clean sheets, no foul smell. Okay. There you go. That's how it looks under the nightstand. I don't know if you should call this nightstand, but a stand. Very modern, which is cool. And the headboard, it appears to be leatherish or leather type of material. Okay, once again, 4 pillows, queen size bed. Okay, here's another angle. And you have another stand here. Okay, now here is the closet. Closet comes with a safe. Okay, plenty of space for those that got the stash and the cash and the racks. You have your ironing board, your iron, ample hangers. So what's funny about this closet, only has one sliding door. See that? One sliding door. Nevertheless, a-okay with me. So once again, ample hangers. You have your shelf and another small shelves for your small bags like my toiletries here. And your clothing rack here. Okay, which is neat, which is cool. I think they just add this on for style because you have your closet here. But then again, it's nice addition. So the floors, it looks like one of those laminated floors. I don't think it's real wood. Okay, so there you have it. Good morning, world. I just want to share with y'all the breakfast experience here at City Express Plus. So they have fresh fruits, which I enjoy. It tastes organic. They had watermelon, melon, and pineapple. They also have yogurt, cereals, coffee, toast, and if you want to order eggs, we ordered sunny side up eggs for 2 It's an extra charge, but nevertheless, it was a good meal. So for those 4 eggs, it cost us equivalent of 13 US dollars. That's a bit pricey for eggs, but I guess at the moment, currently, they are having, this is worldwide, I guess, egg pandemic or egg shortage. It is what it is. There's no such thing as egg shortages because there's a lot of chickens out there. So 4 eggs for 13 US dollars. It's a bit pricey, but I don't know what's going on in this world. You know, somebody's manipulating the egg stocks, just like somebody manipulating the alcohol, the toilet tissue when the pandemic occurred. But that's beyond me. I digress. So anyhow, it was a good experience, good breakfast, and you know, I have no complaints. So, you know, decent breakfast. I'm full. I'm ready to conquer the day. I am going, actually on my way to the dentist. I'm getting ready, pack all these things up, and then get picked up by the dentist and, you know, continue with my procedure. And that's it. So you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys on another one, all right? Peace.